first of all, here we have the Laragon in C drive, or whatever may be the location you have set there. And yes, Laragon icon you will have, you can start it. So in the setting, here is icon, and in the service and port, you just have to tick this SSL. So sometimes we use third-party API and Google login, something those things that need a SSL, means HTTPS, that works only with HTTPS. So this facility is given by Laragon. So you just have to tick here 443 SSL port, and it will give you the SSL. Okay, so this is the setting. You just have to go to this gear icon, then inside the service and ports you just take this one. Okay, first of all we start all. I also share two PDF with you. These are two versions. Which one is suitable for you, you can use it. Means two options I have given. It is just a cheat sheet, means instead of just reading a big book, you just have what the function you needed, and that one. The first one is, I think, is only 24 pages, and another one is 40 or 45 something. Okay, it is 43 pages. So you can choose any one of there. So it is just means you don't need to entire book and find what is there. So you can get it here. So first thing, the project. So we okay, I have a idea from the ma'am. Can you again explain me what we actually want to build this, means your project?
Actually, sir, our project is based on donation app.
Yes.
First of all, it's about like motto society, like a social service app. Okay, example like a organization nowadays is very hard to track whether which to send goods, right? The donation goods. So this app will help that certain organization to control, to know the location of the donor, the person who willing to donate, and then the person, the volunteer, who's the person will take the goods from the donor, and they will send that particular goods to the person who needed.
Actually, yes. And to explain it, the ma'am have given me the alternative comparison with the food delivery app, like that. Means
Yeah,
yes.
food delivery
So
apps, yes.
she said driver is there. Okay. Then customer is there.
Yes.
Then there are many merchants. We call them vendor or merchant. Okay. And driver, customer, vendor, and another one is admin or super admin. Admin we can say.
Admin.
Okay. So these are the four. What are the? So we have driver, customer, vendor, merchant, and admin. These are our four roles in the system. And here are our actual roles. These are for comparison. For driver, I think what they say here at the start. I think yes. Customer is donor. Okay, driver. Okay, I will just copy this thing directly. So okay. So customer is donor, just like for right now. Okay, I have one project, a similar type of logic. I will show you that. Okay, this. Okay, something like that food delivery system like Zomato or Food Panda, that type. So customer will be like donor. So donor can register. Okay. and admin can add the merchants and drivers, all things. And merchant people who receive the donation, which is admin already decide who will receive this. Okay,
Yes.
and donation in the form of just like okay, we go to this merchant, okay, this shop we can say, and here are different types of uh, food items. Instead
Food
of this,
item.
we will have the categories for the donation, and we will have the items for the donation. Just like which one is the famous card? It's a donation. There is one site which is okay, donate card is there. This has the same type of idea that
Donut.
but there yes, this is different. Some okay, like this, that they will have the description, all these things, and like this means this is the item for which you can donate them, okay, as customer. And like this, so we have to build on that type of applications. So okay, we will not exactly clone this, but we can just building it from scratch. So we'll also learn the basic things, that how to use the Laravel and other things. So in this way, what we can do, these are the roles in the system. We can call this roles. What we can suggest the name for our project? Any name have you suggested?
Yes, EzKongsi. Alphabet E,
Hmm.
Z, K, K.
Hmm.
No, no, not Y, sir. K. E, E,
I think
Z, K, O.
somewhere that was okay. Okay.
Uh,
KO.
I think K, O, N, G,
Hmm.
S,
Is
S,
it
I.
I?
Yeah.
Is it Konsi? Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Is it Konsi? We can call it donation system for now. We can
Okay, sure.
change it later. Okay, so bold it. So yes, from here I think like this. Okay. So these are the main roles. What we are going, we are first thinking of what we are going to build. Instead of direct starting coding,
Hmm.
we will have the overview in the system roles we have, and already we have the comparison app another. Okay, the roles compare roles in the system with the food ordering system. Okay. So, do you know normal login system? User have the his dashboard or user area, and
Yeah,
this is not
username and
accessible
password.
until we have the username and password there. So same way, what we are going to do, but it is a multi-auth, means we are going to do this in the way that we need a multiple type of role, and role based login system and a different user, depending upon the role, they will have the different dashboard, their own application, web application. This way that when admin login, he will have another details. Merchant login, he will have another details. He can add, manage, add, delete, and manage the stock items in the list, store management. Driver will have another thing, that which order is there and to whom it is to be delivered,
Oh,
from where to pick up. And customer have this like this, that he can go to different he go to website, he will have different merchants, and he can uh, buy and make the donation there. So these are the roles we have. So we need a multi role system here.
a multi-role system.
Or multi-auth, we can also say that multi-auth is there. Also then we first develop the backend. Actually, the structure of any big project is like this, that it has a backend. Okay,
In
backend,
front end.
backend means not in point of technical way, that a backend is PHP, front end is HTML, CSS, but we are thinking differently here. uh, our backend means the system, dashboards we have. Okay, then we have the API, and then we finally have the apps. Apps uses API connect with the system, cause and API are the
Application programming
programming
interface.
interface. Yes. Then what we do, first we need to develop the backend, and backend inside that we will have the API controller, and we will write the API. Actually, what happened? The apps we are going. The apps are made with the different technologies. That apps are native apps, divided into two types. Mobile apps. Okay, mobile apps basically divided into two types. Okay, native apps and the hybrid apps. Actually, native apps build with the core technology, that like Android app is there. Then Android native app will be built with the Kotlin or Java. Means
Oh,
the core technologies they are using.
good
Then the
technology.
iOS apps are built with the Objective C or Swift language. Means these are the basic technologies developed for uh,
Native
by
apps.
those platforms to build the apps. Hybrid apps are what? They are using the web technologies.
Like a PHP.
No, no, no. We are using the hybrid apps. Okay. So you are got that point, but what we are using, we will say mostly web technologies. We are using the front end technologies. Okay. Now this is the front end. What you are imaging that it is
Like a C++.
the HTML, CSS, or that thing. Uh, Actually, all the business apps are mostly hybrid apps. Okay, and the okay, we can just make it inside this native apps. Okay, I will make it. Okay, 1 minute. This is our main point. Okay, we will make it as a list. Okay, so inside the native apps we can say that we have the Android apps, and then we have the iOS apps. They are
iOS.
made with their different technologies, and inside the hybrid apps, uh, this is not the sub point, but we can say okay. I keep that point. Okay, apps. Okay, this is just description, but hybrid apps can be made with different technologies. One is Ionic. Okay, next is Cordova. Previously, it was called as a phone gap. Now it is outdated, so we use the Ionic. But Cordova you can still use. Then you can use the Flutter. Okay, with the Dart programming to make the app, and another one is React Native. Okay, uh, these are the technologies used for hybrids. All these are web technologies. Okay, so what that the web developers are there, they don't need to learn these languages, Kotlin, Java, Objective C, or Swift, to build the apps. They can use these technologies, Ionic, any one of these. Means okay, I make it italic, so it is not the part of that, and can remove it. Yes, yes, like this. Okay, so to build the app, if you are a web developer and you know anything of this, out of this four, you don't need this native technologies to build the app. So we are going to build this our app with using this we are using Ionic. Ionic can be work with. Ionic can be recreate Vanilla JS. We will explain what is this one by one. Vanilla JS, Angular, or React, or Vue. Okay. These are the JavaScript frameworks. Okay, JavaScript frameworks or libraries. Okay, React is library, Angular and Vue are the frameworks for JavaScript, and Vanilla JS is a pure JS. Is a Vanilla JS means you are not using any framework, and you can using it and build the app using the Ionic. So in that we can also further use the I can declare that we are using Ionic plus Angular, okay, to build the app. I can highlight this point here. Okay. So this will be the stack. Then in the backend, okay, this one point is covered. Okay, also I will make this in the let's format. API and backend. We will make it in Laravel. This is also in Laravel. Laravel. And these are app is built with the Ionic Angular. So the PHP is what the Laravel is what PHP framework. PHP MVC framework. Okay. Think you said that you know the CodeIgniter. You have some coding experience in CodeIgniter. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, yes. Uh, do you know what is the exact MVC mean and why we use the frameworks rather than using core PHP? Any basic idea means it is not technically just why we use the frameworks instead of using the core PHP.
Yeah, which I know, like the framework is more to like it's a it's like it's like a layer that con that indicating what kind of program we can use, we can build.
Yes, there are clear set of rules. Okay, we can say that.
Yeah, something like fix.
And it is a well structured that okay. So one simple example we can take. Suppose you want to build a room. Okay, just imagine that you are going to build a room for yourself, and you are using the bricks. Okay, to build the walls. Okay, suppose you want to build the wall. So left that room. Just you want to build a wall. What you will do? You will have one option. You have to use the bricks, and another option is using the sand. So using the sand is what you have to first make the bricks, and it take time. You have to make the mud and then give the shape, heat them, and then brick will be made. And you are using the ready-made bricks. That's the difference between using the core and the framework. Means in simple term we can, if you using the core PHP, you have to take care of everything, that security, routing, and bugs, all these things. When you do the programming with the framework also, there are bugs and all these things, but
Yes.
it is minimized. So
Oh,
it is
minimize.
it is better to go with the frameworks. Okay, so what happened that depend upon the market demand, it is changing. So which framework is better and which is not. So from last few years, Laravel is a good framework. CodeIgniter also popular framework, and its new version CodeIgniter 4 is better now.
Better.
Yes, before Laravel release, the CodeIgniter was the one number framework that is also a good framework. If you don't have the very big project, that it is also good. Also, it can handle that projects also. But what the Laravel? In the Laravel, you have many packages, okay, and you can reuse it. Also in CodeIgniter, we have that.
Oh,
Mm.
okay, okay.
In the Laravel, main thing you have to do that the you have to that means in a coordinator or other frameworks. What the main thing is you are using still using the PHP. Okay, in coding Laravel also we are using this, but you use more PHP in the coordinator and other frameworks. What in Laravel you will have the ready-made packages, but you have to more work on the compatibility. Means you have to learn that installation via terminal and artisan or those commands. So it is more than just writing code. So that's why it is systematic, but it is not that hard. Okay, so if we make the compatibility within the packages and it works, means it will faster the process. Okay, also this approach is now applied by another frameworks. This also coordinator is also using that type of approach, and all the and it using the PHP, so they are using the composer. Had you heard about composer already?
Compose. Don't
Composer?
think so, sir.
No. Okay, so if you use the Laravel, you will have inbuilt terminal where, and also
Ah,
composer
yes,
is there.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
what is this means, what we say is just previously. Okay, I will summarize the thing. It is going very fast. Okay, Laravel.
CM,
Yes, yes,
CMD, sir.
yes, yes. In the Laravel we are going to see. Okay, in the Laravel what we are going to see that first thing, inside the Laravel package based system, yeah, these are the main points. MVC, do you know what is MVC? uh, Hello?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay, okay. So first of all we will see what is the MVC. These are the basic things. It will also help you in an interview. And MVC is not only in PHP. MVC is a concept everywhere you do the coding. Okay. So first of all, if you go to Google and search MVC, okay, model view controller. Okay, any diagram we can see here, and we will. Okay, just we can have this. Okay, so coordinator is also MVC framework. Okay, so what happened, the user is there, your end user is here, and model view and controller. Okay, just we will take a diagram, I will explain you manually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, open image in new tab. So what, this is okay, this one is a good diagram. Okay, so uh, model is what, it is connected to database. Okay, so how do you use models in a coordinator?
Model.
Don't
Yes, 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 sir. Yes.
Yes, yes, to connect with the database to particular table
Yes,
we use
yes,
the
yes.
models. Okay, controller is what, routing which request is coming to you, how to handle it, that is done by the controller.
Controller.
Another routing is another part, but what happened, okay, we can directly see there. Okay, we will install the Laravel first. Okay, so don't worry, we are going to see everything step by step, but to show you we must have the framework. Okay, so how you install the another PHP framework, you just go, if you go to CodeIgniter 4. Okay, you will go here and download the package. Okay, installation is where, yes, installation,
Installation.
and you will select the version, and okay, have you installed the coordinator using the terminal or just downloading and manual installation? Okay, yes, yes,
Manual, sir.
yes, manual
Manual.
installation here, and download the latest version. You will have the Git repo, and here you can download the this thing. Okay, this is one way to do this. Another thing you can do is the composer installation. Okay, so this approach is now uh, adopted by all the frameworks now, because it was first this it was first adopted by the Laravel framework. That's why it gets popularity. So that what happened, another frameworks get struggle that no one is going to them, that using them. So the old version of code igniter was not with the composer and those things, but in the between 1 year they have no anything, means no development, just they just shut down that. Here they in their website, official website, there's they have the message that we are going to stop this, and it is not in development mode. But later it was popular framework, they had the community, they made the changes and updated the things, just like Laravel, and now we have the coding matter 4. And same thing happened with the another frameworks. You will also heard about YI framework. It is also PHP framework. Now, now this popular framework, everyone had this approach. They are using the composer. Okay, installation with the
Yes.
composer. Okay, so just same way we are going to first thing we are going to install the Laravel. Okay, so if you go to laravel.com, you get started. Okay, and then we have the installation. Okay, here the composer create projects. First of all, go here and terminal. Okay, it will be started. Can you see the terminal here?
Yeah, can sir.
Okay, so by default it opens in the root directory. Okay, I will also my root directory here. Here we have the 3 projects. Okay, nothing. uh, our projects will be also here. So this is the command composer create project. Okay, okay, first of all I need to check whether composer is by default available in the means okay, just hit the composer. Okay,
Just
if you
just
see
type
something like
composer.
this, it is installed. But
Oh,
I
install.
think I have not installed this uh, on my Windows. Means if you use the XAMPP or other software than Laravel, then you may need it. Okay, just we will check. I go to command prompt and check whether I have the composer. Minus v, I check for version. Okay, I have already installed it. Okay, if you not see like this, you just if you are Windows, composer is just exe file, composer install. You will just download it. For Windows it is very simple. You can direct download this composer dash setup.exe, and just like other software you can click and install it. Okay, so we already have this composer, we will use this thing. Okay, so okay, this is, we are not going to use this terminal, we are going to use the terminal from the Laravel. Okay, now first thing they have seen composer create projects. Okay, I just copy it before hitting this command. Okay, I can say install. Okay, and I install, remove the board and remove this marking. So how we can install it? Okay, so this is the command, but okay, this is very small. Okay, can you see now?
Can sir, can.
Okay, now what is a composer create project Laravel. Okay, this is the package name, it is from Laravel, and Laravel may have multiple packages. So out of that package we want to install the Laravel, and here is the example app. This is the folder name which will be created in our root directory here, www. Okay, so our project name is here. So if you want this, or how we can do this, achieve this, instead of example app, we will just erase it and put this one. Okay, 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 let me clear it. Control X, Control Shift V. Okay, still okay. Control Z. Okay. Control X. Paste as a plain text. Paste without formatting. Okay, that extension we need for the Google Docs. We need to install it. Enable now. Okay, I already installed it. Reload it. can see this. First is composer,
Composer.
which program you are going to use, then create project is there, and the package name and which folder means where you have to create this, copy this Laravel, this is the name. I just copy it and paste this command in the root, so you can paste it anywhere, means in D drive or everywhere, means where you can, you want to create the project. Okay, we will see that. So just what you have that PHP path in your that environment file, so it can run from anywhere. Okay, so you can see that after hitting this, it is saying which version you are using, that 10.3.3 the latest Laravel versions, stable version it will install, and you can see that these are all packages. Okay,
Packages.
yes, yes, means can, okay, okay, it is, okay, it is still installing.
For me, it says like 54 package suggestion were added by new
Hmm.
dependency using compose suggestion to see details.
Yes, 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 yes. Means you have completed the installation. Okay, again you have that C and Laragon slash www means in the terminal. Yes, yes. So means something like a assemble, you can see that instead of doing things manually, it uses the already open source packages made by self by Laravel or others. Some packages are from Symfony. Okay, different. These all are contributors, and also Laravel have their own packages, like Laravel framework is the main framework. Then Laravel Pint, Laravel prompts. Okay, Sail. These are different things, and finally they made this framework. Okay, so this is the effort of all those. Yes, you have that message. 54 package suggestions were added by the new dependencies. Use composer suggest. Okay. 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 Finally. Okay. Yes. Okay. And now we are going to see what is there. So if you see here, what was our, yes. Okay. This is our the folder name. We will check it. Yes, we have the same name. What will be our URL is the localhost slash, okay, and you will see this thing, cause the main root directory of for the security purpose, also in CodeIgniter 4, actually it is run from the public directory. Okay,
Okay, sir.
had you see the same thing in the CodeIgniter, that it runs
I
from the
Yeah, yeah,
public.
yes, yes.
Okay, so this is what we had now. It is the first installation, and we have all the things that CSS also there, that cards are also there, means you can use it. Okay, so first what we can do, there's for the basic knowledge of CodeIgniter, is there any shortcut docs over there? Okay, we'll okay, okay, I will share something with you. Even okay, documentation and it is just what the first template, and it says which version is there and which PHP version. It mentions it's here, and okay, coordinator close. Next thing, we will do the operations, means the backend development and API and all this with the Laravel. And for the apps, we are using this Ionic and Angular. So we need to install today what we do, we will just do all the setups there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so Had you installed npm? No. Had you installed in Node.js?
No,
Okay. Okay. If not, just type the node in the Google, then go to download. Okay, don't worry, we have all the recording. Okay, our recording is on. Yes,
oh, okay,
it
sir.
is going. No problem. Okay.
Sir, for me, it says like donate. Sorry, download Node.js, but it says recommended for most users, 20.11.1
Yes, yes.
LTS.
You just go with the LTS. Current is what
LTS.
some bugs might be there. Just select
Okay.
LTS, select your operating system, Mac, Windows, or this is for the another means Linux or the other things. You just have the Windows, and yes, I already installed it. You just proceed it. Okay, and
Or just finish up the download and everything. So.
yes, just complete it. uh, Keep all the things just as it is, means just default options there.
Or default. The
Yes,
location, everything defaults also.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And
And
both are
so
doing this thing. Okay, both are
yeah.
of you installing.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So there's another thing it's pop out like it says like automatically install the necessary
Oh.
tools
Yeah,
and
at that
note
last point. Okay, just
note
tick out it, but it needs
okay, sir.
more internet. Are you on Wi-Fi or
Yeah,
mobile?
Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi.
Okay, okay, just tick it. Sometimes that setup fails, but that doesn't matter. Just tick it, automatically install that. That don't We don't need that currently, but just tick it.
Oh,
Okay, but in if you go in deep, it is needed some Python tools and all these things. It will install. So, what is Node? Do you know that? Node. What is Node? Okay, okay. I will explain it. You know basic thing, front end and back end.
yes, sir.
What is in front end? Which
Front end
technologies are
more to
there?
like
HTML, CSS. Yes, yes.
designing interface, like designing a website using jQuery,
Yeah, yeah. JavaScript frameworks.
more to like
Yes,
designing.
yes. Means the in the front end. Okay. Just we will have the small intro. And in the front end, what technologies we use? CSS, HTML, and JS, and other things. jQuery and all these are JS frameworks. Means JavaScript we are using it. Okay, and CSS we can use Bootstrap and other frameworks. Okay, and HTML is hypertext markup language. It is not actually a programming language. It is a markup language. Means you have the text, you will mark up with H1, H2 tags, P tags, Li tags, and different tags. So it is markup language and JavaScript. And in the backend there are different technology, different stacks are there. You can have the ASP stack. You can also have, means these are the optional, means you can use one of them either. Okay. Uh, First one is PHP, then ASP, JSP, another things. Okay, ASP. Within the ASP you can use the .NET. PHP you can use the core PHP or frameworks. Okay, JSP is for Java. Means if you use Java as a backend, this is the one, Java server pages. ASP is active server pages. And we use the .NET there. PHP we can either use the core PHP or the frameworks available. More than 1700 plus frameworks we have, because it is open source, everyone is building its own frameworks. but we are using the popular and standard frameworks like Laravel, coding network, okay, etc. Okay, these are there. Another things might be there. Someone can use backend like Scala is there also. These are the options for the PHP. Means you can it is not necessary you can use only PHP for backend. You can use the Microsoft's the .NET technology, C#.NET and all this using the ASP, JSP. You can use the Java and Scala is there. This is another stack. Also now the node is there. Okay, okay. One minute. Problem with the enter. Now another thing is enter here. This is the node. What is it? This is the JavaScript at server side. JavaScript at server side. Okay, this is different concept. Before the node, JavaScript is only at the front end. Yes, we know that we use the JavaScript in the front end, jQuery, and all those frameworks there. But what did that the developer of node what he did? He means okay. So first of all, any page where you give in the browser. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
There.
Okay. Okay, you not get
My,
anything. Okay, just do you get that front end and back end?
yes, yes.
Okay.
My mic was off.
Yes, yes.
Nothing, nothing, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. I'm just saying that we have the front end and back end, and for previously the JavaScript adds only at the front end, and we use the browser to see the web pages. You are now using the Chrome browser to use the Google Meet and all those things. And our means if you write some code in a JavaScript, just on click or use the jQuery or Ajax, where it run in the Chrome browser, right? Chrome browser, Edge browser, or different browsers we have, Opera or this thing. What he did that the Node.js developer, he just reverse engine the V8 engine of the Google. The Chrome is actually maintained by the Google. What he did, he he just reverse engineering means what he did. Suppose I have given 1 plus 2 in the JavaScript code, and it is run at the client side, means it is not run at the server side. Okay, it is run at the client side who is browsing the website. Okay, just he make the engine virtual environment that where we can give the JavaScript code and it runs. So and he put that code means this how I can explain you. Okay, do you code with the C language?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, in initial phase you use the C language. Okay, what we do, you have the .c file. Okay, hello world program is there, and how you run it, direct C file you cannot run. Just first have to compile it. Okay,
Mm.
then again you have to run it, and then exe file is made and it is run on your machine. Okay, okay, just we need the compiler. Okay, actually any programming language you write, you not write it for the computer, because the our computers are binary computers, they only know the uh, binary language. Okay, so these languages are only for us, that to close to the computer. So the actually the game is that compilers convert our code, our programming language, that will be known to the our machine, because the machine is dead, it's only know the binary. So and also binary and this our compile, there is also one gap. This is the assembly language that is actually run, and then assembly language run directly on the hardware. Okay, with the help of our operating systems. So same way he developed that one node package that we have this. He developed this thing, and if we install this, we can run the JavaScript on this machine directly without using the Chrome. Okay, so what happened, JavaScript now can be run on the any machine, so we can use the JavaScript at the server side. So we can in short say node is the JavaScript at the server side. Okay, you get this thing or not? Means the previously it was in the front end, but
Front
that
end.
the developer generates a compiler like thing. Okay, it is using the interpreter. Cause do you know the difference between the compiler and interpreter?
Compiler is for like it
Uh,
will
it is
make the
a
program run.
hmm,
The interpreter is more to like uh checking and typing as well.
okay. Actually, what happened? Java is a interpreter language. Okay, if you do something
Okay.
in a Java code as like a C, you also code something in Java. Just for example, had you used Java in any? Uh,
Yeah, yeah,
yes,
sir.
and when you run the Java code, you change the code and run it. It directly runs. Okay, but in the C, you first if you change the code, you have to compile it and again run it. Right? If you run
Yes,
it
yes, yes.
directly, you will have the old output. Yes,
Yes,
yes, many
yes,
times
yes.
you have this thing. Okay, this is the what called the compiler, and it is the interpreter. Java is the interpreter and C is a compiler language. Same way, here JavaScript is a direct interpreter language. If you change the code, you run it, it directly run. You don't need to compile it. Okay, the same way it is there. So, so we can say that the Node.js developer a interpreter for the JavaScript language. Okay, we can say that means we can input the JavaScript to Node, and it will run that code. Just like we can input the Java code to the Java interpreter, and it runs that program. Okay, but in the C language, this is different case. We input the code to the compiler, and again, yes,
Yes.
and then we again run it. So from the compiled code, bin file is generated first. If you see your Windows Explorer where you run the C, what happen if one.c is there, then one.bin file is generated, and again we have to run that file. Means you have to means first compile it and again run it, then it one.exe file is generated. It is a two-step process. Okay, but it is not two-step Java and Node JavaScript in Node.js case. It is just one process. Means it is called as interpreter. Okay, so these are the basic concept. We actually don't need it, but just for the information, I am telling it. So you can also search compiler versus interpreter. Okay, you will have this. Also, you can get the table image format and many things you will have. Just it is good if you go some for interview, they might ask you.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
compiler versus interpreter. You can just read it.
Uh,
I will also share this link. Okay,
Oh, it's
KDI.
like a common question, sir.
Yes, yes, because these are the basic things you should know. Means when you go to develop something, you must know that what is compiler versus interpreter. These are the basic things you will get asked many times in the interview. Okay, so
Okay, noted, sir.
what is our purpose? Because we are using the Node.js. I am explaining what is Node.js. Okay, so that's why we add the point. Okay, okay, you can use it compiler interpreter. Okay, I can say Google search. Okay, not problem. Caps lock on. Okay, so these are the things, and we are using this, and so that's why the Node.js can be used in the front, means can be also used in both side, front end and back end. Now we have the JavaScript. This is the language which use the JavaScript. If you know the front end and you have the knowledge of JavaScript, you can uh, that use for the back end also. That was the uh, concept. Okay, but here we need the node for the Ionic app and Angular app development. uh, had you installed it successfully
Yeah,
on your
done, sir.
machine? Okay, so just see here, go to cmd and type node and minus v. Okay, will something have you may have the latest version. This
Yes.
is the version. It is
Yeah, version 20.
2011. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. And there is a node, and another is the node package manager. npm minus v both are get installed with the same way. Okay. npm version is 10.2.4.
Ah, yes,
Okay.
yes.
You may have the sub version, minor
Same
version
version.
increase, just like here is 20.11.1. Means,
No.
they their process is continuum. Okay, so that's okay. So we are using these technologies to make the apps. Okay, like the okay. So okay, this is our the setup we needed. Also, you have installed the VS Code. VS Code.
Ah, yes, sir. Got.
Okay, just download and install it because it is a good uh, code editor. Next, what we have said that we are using Ionic. Okay.
Ionic.
Yes. So first of all, we are going to make a blank project, and we are going to use with the Angular, right? Yes, we have seen this. Okay, I highlight this point. So this point and another which one is the Laravel. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
if I want to download, I mean like install Ionic, what should I do? Because
Yes, yes.
whenever,
Just we are going to see that. Yes, just I am
okay,
highlighting it. We are going to see
okay,
it
okay,
right
okay,
now. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. I just close the other tabs to right. Yes. Okay. So next thing, we need Ionic. Just have to search Ionic. Okay. You will have the official website Ionic. Okay. The first of all, what is Ionic? I will tell the story. Okay. Today we just brushing up. We are not coding. Just we are just introducing what are the technologies we are using. Okay. So what happened? For this hybrid apps, the Cordova and the phone game. It was Cordova. Okay. Cordova, we can say that. Okay, if you type the Cordova has the different side. Okay, it is from the Apache. Okay, Apache company. What happened? It was the open source first release mobile apps with HTML, CSS, JS. Okay, you can say that these are the web technologies. All we know that HTML, CSS, JS are web technologies. That's what happened. Their concept was to build the apps. uh, Web developers don't need to go with the native technologies. Okay, this Kotlin, Java, and what happened? If you code once, you can use the same code for the Android, Mac, and Windows. Means the previously there was the Windows Mobile, now they are not available. Okay, so you can use the same code for the Android app generation and same code for the iOS app generation. That was the concept. Means the cross-platform. We can say that targeting multiple platform or cross-platform. We can say that. Okay, so that was the concept. It was funded by the Adobe. You know the Adobe. Everyone knows the Adobe Photoshop. That company, big company. So it was funding this Cordova. But in October 2022, okay, uh, Adobe has stopped the funding for this. So it was not well maintained. Okay, it was open source. Then Ionic came and take its development towards it. Ionic is another. It is not only one company. It's not. They only not make the frameworks. They have another products also. Okay. This is the actual site. They have different things. Okay. They are doing. But Ionic they have just grab this framework. Also, it is different. It is open source. They have their separate community and they are developing their different things. Okay, but the same concept, same architecture used and maintained by the Ionic, and it get popular more than the Apache. Okay, that
Okay.
Cordova. Sorry, Cordova is from the Apache. Okay, okay, I will tell you that. Means what happened? Apache made the framework Cordova, okay, which was funded by the Adobe. Okay, it was get popular and it was using web technologies to build the apps. Okay, But what happened? Adobe decided to stop the funding and focus on their own products. They have the different means their line of products not match with this Cordova. There's app technologies. They have the different that design and all those things. They have just stop the funding, and it went to the or it was already open source. They have made, and but that then Ionic came and take this architecture and become the using the same concept and improve it this Cordova and while maintaining it till now. So we are using the Ionic than the Cordova because the it is it don't have that means it have the things, but if you go with the Cordova you may face many problems because the packages are not well maintained, all those things. But here is one company that maintaining all the things. You will have all the things. Okay. So first thing we need the okay. Here is the command. So for this command you need the npm, and this is need the node.js. So that's why we install the first the node, and then only you can use this command. Okay, understood? Hello.
Yes.
Means to run
Understood. Yes.
that's why we learn about this node.js. Okay, so just hit this command npm I for install, g means globally. Okay, this is the factor, means you will install it once, means it will not get installed in my this folder. It will be available now. Ionic CLI will be available throughout the computer. So that's why we are using the g for the global, I for the install. Okay, just hit enter. It will start downloading and installing. Okay, it sometimes takes more time first time you are using it. Okay, as okay, done. As I mentioned earlier, we can use React, Angular, Vue, any programming framework, any JavaScript framework with it. Okay, so this is the thing. So we have this. Now what we can go, we need the starter. Okay, guide. Okay, upgrade guide. Okay, not we only need the guide. Okay, and CLI installation, starting development. If we have the okay, we want to start with the Angular overview. Also we need the official Angular CLI. Okay, Angular is maintained by Google. Just hit another one command, npm install -g Angular CLI. Okay, I can share this commands with you here also. Okay, also in the documents I will share this. Okay, for mobile app. First thing we need to install. First thing we need to install the Node.js. Okay. Second thing we need to install the Ionic CLI. Third thing is we need the Angular CLI. Okay. These three things we need. Okay, I have not fired that comment, I think. Yes. If you already installed it, it will get updated, don't worry. Means if you mistakenly hit this command, it will update the package. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I had already installed it, but it just updated. Okay, no problem. Okay, if you want to update, just hit this same command which we are using for the installation. In further, if there are dependency problem, you need to update things. Okay. So okay, here Ionic documents getting started. Your first Ionic Angular app they have given, but many times I think it has the problem because it is not well maintained. Here, if any, looking for the previous version, but okay, yes, this is the version. Which version it is? Okay, we will try this guide. It is just for the okay. So for they said that okay, they have said just they also need some Cordova resources. We just hit this command again. Okay, new command. It will install additional Cordova packages. Okay, are fireworks going there?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, hello, sir.
Fireworks.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
yeah.
5 bucks.
I just hearing it. Nice. Okay, and just reinstalling with the require parameters that native run and Cordova resources. Okay. Hit the command again. This one, new command I have shared with you here. Okay. How do you install this one?
Yeah, done, sir.
Ionic CLI native run and Cordova resources. Okay. Both of you. Hello.
Yeah. Done, done,
Yes.
done.
Yes. How do you install? Any
Mr. Nidam.
problem, sir? Hello, Alif.
Hello, sir. Can
Yes.
you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. Any problem there? Means
No.
if you
Mr.
install it
Nidam.
anything, I mean everything correctly. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You both installed everything correctly.
Yes. When
Yes.
I'm
Okay, okay. If you have any problem, just ask me. Means
Okay, sir.
okay, okay, okay. So now we will have the Ionic command. Okay. So if I uh, enter the command Ionic, okay, and minus v version, it will be run. If I had not this Ionic installed, it will say Ionic undefined command. Okay. So what we had that first we install the node, then we install the Ionic, we install the Angular packages, and then we can use the Ionic. Okay. To use the Ionic, you need to install the node, npm, node and npm. To install the node and npm, you need to install the means node.exe or just what operating system you have. Follow that guide. Means the it is different than installing node on Windows and different on the Linux and other Mac OS or other. So we are using Ionic for our project. That's why we need to go follow those all this process. Okay, that's why we
okay, sir.
needed it. Okay. So Ionic start. Okay, this is the command. Ionic start means start a new project. Photo gallery. They have said. We are just seeing the basic concept. Okay. Type is Angular and capacitor. These are the two parameters. Type cause Ionic can be used with Vanilla JS, can be used with the React, can be used with the Vue.js, and can be used with the Angular. So we have to mention which type of application we are going to make. So that's why we are preparing this Angular and then the capacitor. What is that? Just like phone gap using the Cordova. Okay. So here is the they change the name. They say it as a capacitor. Okay. So just we copy this command. Okay, I will just wait. We will explain it step by step. What is Ionic start? What we can say is project name. So instead of photograph, okay, first project we make it. I can say that it is a project name. Okay, bold. Okay, we are Ionic start, then the project name. Okay, we'll highlight it in a red. Okay, then tabs. It is the layout type. Means the app has the tabs at the bottom, different that account, home, and like this. And its type is Angular and capacitor. Yeah, so just copy it. We will see in details. Okay. So what we can do? Okay. Also, we do one thing today. Also, do you have account on GitHub? Hello.
No, sir, but I have searched after sir mentioned, I just search it.
Okay, okay, no problem. It's just even if you don't have account, no problem. You can create that account, free account, and I will share the repo with you. Because
Okay, sir.
okay, so if you go here GitHub, you will log in, and when you click on the new, okay, okay, first we go GitHub. In the left side, you can see the new top repository. New, you can create the new repository. Repository in the Git, what we do, we share our code, okay, development code. If you make it public, we don't have any problem. Anyone can share, take our code. And if you make it private, then only contributors are there. Okay, so we are using this one. Public is very simple, just anyone can do. So what you can do, okay, so okay, what we are doing the basic setup today. So just I'm not going in another details, just so okay, we will have the our project name, the same repo. Okay, and okay, just look at it. Till now you can just see GitHub install. You need to install it. Okay. Installing GitHub, okay, or Windows, and just run it. Just exe file it is. Okay, just look at here only. Okay, just because it is the important part. So what I did, I have created one repo. You can see here. Okay, in this repo we don't have any code, any file right now. Yes. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yes.
I want to ask about
Yes, sir.
Young GitHub because I just create an account. So
Hmm.
you mentioned like how many team members will be working with you. Just I
No, no,
see.
just keep it. No problem. That's not the yes.
Okay.
Actually, it is asking for that it is different thing. You can have many collaborators and later. It is
Oh,
not
just keep it.
necessary. Okay,
Okay.
just keep it. That is not problem. Okay. Okay, we need two repo. Okay, one for the okay. We need two repos. One for the backend code and API code, and one for the app. Okay, so this one is the first API. uh, what we do, we will do one thing. We will use this for the okay, I will first, okay, just install it and create the account. I will show you the problem. So this is the repository. It is a private repository. If you trying to access it, it will show not found, just like yes,
Error
yes,
404.
404. Yes, this repo is exists, but it is the private repo. So here is the option, you can see invite collaborators. Okay, so here I can click, okay, it will ask my password for the security purpose. Okay, add people, and okay, just give me your emails. I will share the repository with you. You can just type those emails here in the chat. Which you need the GitHub account. Okay, currently if you don't have, just keep it. Anyone made the account out of them?
Share. Okay, okay, sure, sir.
I need this email. So you will get the email, and you just have to confirm that invitation. You can then access the repository. Both of you made the account there.
Yeah, already created
Okay,
the
okay,
account.
yes, faster. Okay.
So it asks for the new repository. Should I do it or not?
No, no, no. Just it is for the introduction purpose. There might be like tutorial. Okay. Okay. You can open your Gmail. Okay, I will also. Okay, Alif
Okay.
will also.
Yeah, it asks for the view
Because
invitation. Accept.
anyone can share any repo, so that's why, for the security purpose, what it do, it will take confirmation from the invited collaborator also. Okay. So okay, you also that accepted the invitation. Okay. So now if you click that, you will not have the 404 error. Alif, you will also have the email, Gmail from the GitHub, and just click that email that confirm the collaboration
Okay.
of the this repo.
Audio coordinator.
Okay, yes, this is you have just created. Okay, 3 minutes ago. So you will have the email. Okay, any problem to join the invitation?
No, sir. No.
Okay, for Alif, you have to open your Gmail. Okay,
To accept it.
okay, you can help him that.
Click view
Hmm.
invitation.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Just accept it.
He they say to did not find anything here.
Just you have to accept it, and
Mm,
because I can see pending invite. Okay, that's why you can see here. Okay. Both of you are the same location. You are both.
No,
oh
Yes.
no
uh,
no.
no,
Okay.
sir. No.
Okay. I thought that you can help him there to accept the invitation.
Alif, go check your inbox. There's a new message pop up.
Yeah, tu. I just click it. Tu nama panggil? Um,
Sorry, sir. We have to use our own language. Sorry, sir.
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
I will.
Alif, you
You can.
pergi ke primary, you tengok dapat satu email.
dapat dah tu email tu.
Ah,
Tekan dah invitation tau.
ah,
Lepas tu masuk dah
dah masuk kan?
Ha.
Tapi untuk masih pending. Ah,
Yes, yes,
got,
yes.
got, got.
Yeah, accepted.
Maybe
Accepted.
because of
Accepted. Alif, you
maybe
are
because
also
of
accepted the invitation.
I think maybe because of the connection.
Yes, yes. Sometimes might be from the GitHub also problem.
Hmm.
It is accepted. Okay. So if you click on this URL, now you will see this instead of what the 404. Previously it
Ah,
was
yes, sir.
40.
Yes, sir.
So this repo is only accessible for the three person now. Me, you, and the Alif. Okay. Understand? Okay, this
Understood,
is
sir.
why we share the repository securely. Previously, it was giving 5 repositories, private repositories free, but now they are they have changed the rules, and they made the unlimited repositories you can now have. So you install this GitHub. you install it correctly in the command prompt, if you enter the git, you will have the something like this. You can see git command running in the terminal. Okay, git desktop. Use another method, I think.
Scrolling up.
Uh, can you see the git command in the terminal? If you put the git and minus v, can you see the version of git like this?
Where is the?
Okay, one problem is this: we are using the GitHub. Okay, this is another way. Just type git instead of GitHub. Just type git in the Google. Okay,
Okay.
and on the first link you have the download for the Windows. It is a git dash scm. Okay. Yeah.
Keep up. Okay. 64.
This is some critical part in the setup. Okay, we have to first authenticate. Means first you have to install this one, download and install it.
The standalone installer, sir.
Yeah, click here to download. Directly you will have here or standalone installation. Or first one is the selected by your the operating system. Means browse detect your operating system directly, and just if you click here to upload, you will get downloaded desired version for your operating system automatically. Here you can see, click here download. Just above the standalone installer. Mostly
Okay, sir.
you will both have the 64-bit operating system.
So about the setup, all default or what is it?
Just keep it default. And okay, one more thing, you will see integrate it with the Windows. That means must check it. Okay, so okay, I will do again it.
Because there's a section about components.
Okay, okay, I just download and go through the same.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
reinstallation, no that much problem. Okay, or for the steps I can see.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay, yes, now if you go here, it will pop the screen. Yes, first the next. Okay, then keep all the things as it is. Okay, open
Okay.
git, you have nothing change. Then
Okay.
use Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you have the Visual Studio Code, or if you have another option, please use this git's default editor. Okay,
Which
use
one,
this
sir?
option.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
next let git decide, adjust the name of the initial one. Okay, let git decide. Okay, keep it as
Okay.
it is. Next, git from the command line, also from the third party software. Okay, use this one. Yeah, this is the middle one,
Okay.
recommended option.
Okay, sir.
Then the okay, keep this button open SSH. Okay, we are using
Okay,
the
sir.
inbuilt, otherwise we need to install the open SSH by externally. This will be the lengthy process. Just use the first option. Okay, just as it is. The next thing is use the OpenSSL library. Okay,
Okay.
and the next check out window style commit. Okay, this one, first one is right, and next is okay. Just tick this option you need to change. Use Windows default console window. Means in the command prompt you can also use this. Use Windows default console window. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then fast forward merge. Okay, no problem. Okay, and use the grid credential manager. Okay, use this basic. Means the even you update this, it will use the existing git credential manager. So enable the file system caching. Okay, right. And next we don't need. Okay, bus just
Oh,
okay. In
just
my
of
case,
the enable file system catching, sir.
okay, means what happened? It is what it is doing.
No,
Hmm.
my interface on the configure extra option. Should I
Hmm.
just unclick it, enable file system catching,
No,
or
no, just keep it. No problem.
just keep it?
Just keep it. I just read that it is by default ticked. Okay.
Okay, okay.
What happened? In my case, it is uninstalling old version and updating. In your case, it is just installing the new version. Okay.
No,
Okay. So next thing, you have the access of this repository. Okay, this private repository, but from the okay, just close this. You don't need to check anything and just finish the installation. Now you have to just git and minus v. You will see the version. Okay. Both of you can see the version.
no, sir. For me, it says not recognizable.
Git is not recognized.
Oh yeah.
Okay, your terminal already open before you installing the git.
Yes.
Okay, just close it and reopen the
Okay.
okay.
Okay, sir.
This happen in Windows that if you install the new software, it is
Hmm.
not recognized in the old open terminal. You just have to close that terminal or just open the
Got it.
another terminal. If
Okay,
your
got
work
it.
is going there in existing terminal, you don't need to close. Just open another terminal. Just typing the CMD here. You can just hit the enter. Git and minus v.
Oh, it's like basically like the system CMD, the old previous version doesn't know whether we install a new software or not.
Yes, because it has separate session. Means
Separate
that
section.
time setting it has, not new
Mm.
setting it is. Actually, it should take, but it is not taking. So just sometimes that there is no error in the code and all this, and we just
Yeah.
going to think why it is not running because it is not recognized by that terminal. You just have to close it. Even if you are using the Visual Studio terminal, Visual Studio Code terminal, at the same
Mm.
time, then that time if you want to use the same, you just have to close that Visual Studio Code and again open it.
Okay, sir.
Because that terminal also the Windows terminal is there inside that Visual Studio Code. Okay, can you see that version?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So next thing we have to do, connect our PC with our accounts, your own accounts, Alip's own account and my own account. I think my account is already connected. How you can check that? Okay. Okay. I am hitting this command. You don't hit this. Okay. Just I am just creating this command. Okay. Okay. And I am going here in www folder. And okay, I just changing it the name because there was only uh, Laravel, so don't worry. Okay, just you have to do. Okay, okay. First I will do, then you can do just cause okay, push the name. Okay, what happened to add the exception for this call? Okay, git copy double directory set maybe because my some IDs were changed. Okay. What we do? We do one more thing. I did this wrong. We already had this repo. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Without renaming it, just as it is, we just upload this code to our GitHub account. Okay. Here. Here we will upload our code. So what we have they said, we just do this thing. Okay. I just copy this command. Okay. And go here. Okay, not here. Here I have to do, it is inside that. Here I have to open the terminal inside our project. Okay.
Wait a second.
And I will paste it here. Okay. Now it will push the code to the main. Okay. Okay.
Sir, how should I do it?
Okay. I will explain
Okay,
it.
okay. I got it, sir.
The first one, I will share this code, but it will not happen directly for you. First, you have to connect your PC with your GitHub account. I have shared this. Okay, just don't hit these commands. Okay, okay. This is not for you. Okay, for you there is a different command. Don't use this. For you there is a command. Okay. In your okay. In your Laragon www folder, you
Okay.
have this. You just rename it. At your side, you must rename it.
Oh, need to be
Okay,
renamed.
two or something. Give it a different name.
Okay.
Okay, rename it because we are going to use our repo there. You can see we have the different code there. Okay. Okay, just I will refresh this thing.
Okay, sir. I already rename it.
Okay, so do one thing. There, just hit this command: git space clone, git space clone in www inside. Okay, means your terminal. You should be at the www location. C Laragon www. Okay, you must be at C Laragon www. Okay,
Yeah.
yes,
Yes, sir.
there, and you have to hit the command git clone and this link. I will share the link. Okay. Git clone and control this entire command you have to run this git clone and this the URL we have, and you will get the error there. Okay,
Copy code.
just hit
Okay.
it. You will have the error there.
Okay, done, sir.
You will have the error.
Error.
You had
Yes.
yes, you
Yes.
had the error. What it say?
It says like it's not. Wait a
Repository not
second.
found. Something like this.
It's not
Yes.
recognized as the name of CMB let function, script file, or operable program.
No. Git space clone and this thing.
Okay.
Okay. Git space clone space this thing. Means for Git it
Oh, I think because of
old
the I
old
just type
session.
in the HTML.
No. You just have to type it in the here. Here, CLR in the terminal. You have to type it. Git clone like this.
It says
Space.
like cloning into EzKongsi.
Hmm. And fail or
No,
success.
it says like GitHub sign in.
Yes. Okay, it's calling for signing. Yes, just complete the signing. Okay, that's great. Means then you have to use the same accounts you shared with me. Then only you can access that. Means it will go to your browser, and you have to log in with the same account. And
Yes,
yes,
it
and then
says like authorized Git
yes.
credential manager.
Yes. Credential manager. Authorized from browser option is there also. Does it open the browser?
So mine, it says like it's completed. That's all done.
Yes, and does it download the things?
Yeah, it says like remote emuting object tree done.
Yes, yes.
Emuting.
You just confirm it going into that EzKongsi directory. C
Okay, sir.
Laravel www.easyconsi directory. You will see one file there, readme.md, right?
It's because currently it shows like a two folders.
Hmm. No, no, no. Just it is just same EzKongsi.
But for me, it shows like a two folder. Let
Hmm.
me. Can I screenshot
Yes, yes.
screen
You can
share screen, sir?
share your screen. Okay. I will stop presenting for a while.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Ah, it says like this. Two folders.
Yes, the first one.
First one. Ah, the
Yes,
readme.
yes. One file is there. Now open your terminal. Okay, this is the Laravel's readme file. Okay,
Ah, yeah.
okay, just open your terminal, cd into your this new old folder, that without one. Okay,
CD.
okay,
CD.
no, just close this. You can just directly use the shortcut there. What you can do.
Idea, sir.
Hmm.
Code here.
uh,
Like this, sir.
Open internet, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay, just okay, so here what okay, now okay, just no need. If you are already in the root of our project directory, right? Okay, so minimize it, minimize the terminal. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and if you see, enable the show hidden files, you will have the .git folder. Okay, means not necessary, but there is a folder called .git. It is hidden folder.
Dot.
All that inside that
Oh,
project, inside,
Eden.
not inside that project.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
Eden.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, just it is not needed, but there is a folder. We are not going to do anything because it is a secure folder. We must not change anything, but there is a folder where all our git settings are there. Okay, so first thing, you can, okay, right click and open with VS Code.
Or I click it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, just go to in terminal. Okay, okay, just change something here because this is not okay. First of all, okay, before that changing, go to that repository, our repository, github.com/swapnilakulka/easycozy. Okay, in the
Idea,
browser,
sir.
in the browser.
Oh, in the browser.
Okay,
Okay.
go to that repository. Yes, this is the refresh it.
Refresh it. Okay.
Okay, okay, currently you have the that file. Now what do you do
Mm.
about Laravel? Okay, just change the Laravel. Okay, here in the file, just find the about Laravel and change about easy cozy just for testing purpose.
Idea, sir. Idea.
Yes, at the top.
Just change it. Any type anything, sir.
Yes, yes, about Laravel at line number 10. Just okay, line number 10, that in
Line
blue
number
color.
10. Okay. Okay.
Okay, just type our project name there for testing purpose.
Oh, okay.
Okay, just save it.
Save it. Okay.
Okay, open the terminal. Okay, you are in the root, right? Yes, easy cozy, right? Yes, uh, you have to hit the three commands when you push the code. Means you have to send the code to git. You have to use three commands: acp add.
A
No, just
C.
listen. Commands are there. I am just saying the shortcut. Okay, just okay, I will share my screen now.
Okay, sir. I will end.
Entire screen. Okay, can you see now? Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Okay, what I am saying. In this, okay, in the git. Okay, GitHub policy. First, there are two things. What we can do: either we push our computer's code to the GitHub, or we can pull the code from the GitHub to our directory, right? Either we send or receive the code. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, either we receive the code or we will send the code. Only the two possibilities there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we do, first thing, push the code. Okay. Shortcut is ACP. Okay. So first step is add. Command is same. Small git. Okay, okay. Git add space dot. What it will do? It will add all the files to the git. Okay. The first thing is git add. Then is git. Okay, git commit -m, and here you have to use the simple codes. Okay, actually the Windows that document is not I think the font is different, that's why. Okay, it has the same normal codes you have to use. Commit, here is you have to give the comment what changes you have made. Means in the future if you want to check why I am added this code, what changes I have made, just like just changing the readme file in your case right now. Okay, and third command is git push. Okay, okay, these are the three commands, and pushing is pulling is very simple. Pull the code, just go and hit the one command is git pull. Okay, here is only one step. So okay, I will share this thing for now to you, and we will do this. Okay, okay, now you can share your screen now. Okay, Ali, you are also understanding this? Hello, hello Alif,
Yes.
you can understanding this?
Um,
Not now. Okay,
some
okay. So
some
can you able
I'm
to
still
download the repository?
yes.
Can you able to download the repository?
Um,
Download the repository like this on the C.
oh no.
No, okay. Are you able to log in there? Okay. Okay. Can you share the screen? Yes, we can solve it. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Alif.
Yes, yes.
Uh, so, are you able to install the Git?
I'm still.
Okay, yes, you are. But
But
okay, okay. You just share the screen. We will solve the issue. Okay. How do you install the Laravel by default?
I'm still nagagong.
Yes. Just open the.
But
Hmm.
at www, I still not have EzKongsi.
Yes, yes. Cause that we have. You must keep this step. Git clone. This one. You must go there and type the command git space clone in the terminal. First go to terminal and change the location to the cd to the c laragon www only. Okay. if you have the EzKongsi folder already, just rename it because it will be overridden by our another folder. Okay. So okay. Hello.
I
Hello.
still not
Hello,
ready.
Rajendra.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Can you guide him? Just,
Yeah, sure, sure.
yes, yes. Cause
So
he was not getting that folder.
yeah, yeah.
Cause
Alif,
if he
Alif, can
get
you
lagged
share
out.
screen?
Wait.
Sir can call me Naresh or Aryo for easier purpose
Okay,
lah.
okay. Yeah, I
Okay.
just just saw your name, full name here. That's why.
Yeah, that one full name, full
Yes.
name.
Okay, okay. Naresh, your first name.
First name is Nareshwaran.
Okay, okay, okay. I just. Okay. So yes, yeah. Just
I do
right
not
click
have
here,
name.
outside here, right click and open the terminal.
No, no, no. Alif, go to folder.
Yes, yes,
That
yes.
folder.
Just right click
Right
there.
click.
Yes,
No, no,
just
no,
Yes.
in the
no,
blank
no, no.
space. Just
Just blank
yes, yes,
space.
yes.
Right click.
Okay,
Terminal.
okay, no problem. Open the Git bash here. Okay, that option selected. Open the Git bash
Yes.
here. Last one, just below that. Yes, this one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, okay. Here type. Okay. Just open our charts in the Google Meet from the browser. Yes.
Here.
Yes, that copy that 10:30 p.m. Git clone and that line. Just entirely
This.
select and copy it, and hit that command there in the Git bash. Okay, here. Just no, just right click it. Yes, and hit enter. Okay. This time you need to do the authentication. Okay, you have already done that authentication. Wow. Yes, it is done. Just go there in the Explorer. You will have that folder, right? Yes.
Yes.
Just click here. Okay, you will have the one file now. Okay. So go to that bash terminal. Okay. Just hit the command cd space change directory change
Uh.
directory cd cnd
CD.
space
Enter.
space white space bar. Okay, and type capital E shift E.
Okay.
No, Naresh, just means we want to enter in the directory easy cozy easy cozy
EzKongsi.
easy cozy.
Tekan
Okay,
saja awak punya nama
yes sir.
number 5.
Just hit tab. Okay,
Like
okay,
this.
enter. Okay, you are now in the root of our git repository because now it is a git repository. Okay, now yes, that's now we are now in the. Okay, just because if we lag, it will be problem for the further. So that's okay. Just we are what we have to do. I have just explained you that push and pull. In the comment, just go again in the meet that comment box in the browser.
Oh, okay.
Okay, just go. Okay, okay. Naresh, now you share the screen.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, yes. Alif, what we are doing? Same thing you have to do in a next step. Okay. First we do with the Naresh laptop, then again with you. Okay. Okay. You can now stop the sharing, and Naresh can share the screen.
Okay.
So, open that chat.
Okay, open the chat.
Yes.
Push.
What we say when you have to push the code, you have to use the three commands: add, commit, and push. Okay. I shortly call this as ACP. So just hit first command: git add dot. Just select first command.
First command. Okay.
Yes, yes. Or just type it: git add,
Or just type it. Okay.
hit space add space
Oh, space dot.
space. Okay. What it will do? All the all the files will be, all the changes in your code will be there. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, yes. Now git commit. Okay, just type it. Okay, git space commit space commit space minus m space. uh, okay, you can give any comment that first change in readme file or anything. Okay, hit enter. Enter anywhere you can enter this.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. You don't need to go at that, just hit enter, it will.
Oh, just can.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me
Okay.
you.
Okay, now you have to configure this thing. Okay, even you connected to git, but that configuration manager don't know. Just hit okay, just first run git
Okay.
space config space dash dash global.
Global.
Yes, just like above that, dash dash hyphen hyphen
Sorry, sir. Again.
hyphen that global, just before the global you have two dash.
Oh, two dash. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can see that global user email. Okay, you have to run this command, but you are at example.com, you have to use your email, and in the username you have to use your GitHub username. Okay.
So, sir, what should I do? Git configure global
Hmm.
hyphen
Just
hyphen.
you can just hyphen means this one, this before the global. Is this okay? You can see there. There. Please tell me who you are. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can see that when you hit the commit, it says the author identity unknown. Please
Oh,
tell
this
me.
one.
Yes,
This
yes,
one,
yes,
sir.
yes. I'm saying this thing.
Okay.
You just you have to do the same command, but instead of you are at example.com, you have to put your email. That uh,
Uh, Another, sir.
hmm.
After global, should I just follow this one or?
Yes, user.email.
Okay. Okay.
User. We have to hit two commands. Okay, first for email and second for the username space in double quote you have to type your own email. Okay,
Okay, sir.
which was used for the github account. Okay. Okay,
Okay. Then.
right. uh, Cross check it, and now same, just change the email name. Just go backspace it. User dot name. User dot name.
Oh, username. Oh,
Yes,
my name, sir.
user dot name. Also you have to delete this email. Just again backspace, again backspace.
Again backspace. Okay.
Also instead of email,
Oh,
yeah.
name. Oh,
Yes,
okay. Okay. Okay.
now
Sorry,
it is a
sorry, sorry.
user dot name, so
Okay.
you have to use your name. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, hit enter. Okay, now your identity is known to this git CLI. Just press up arrow three times. Up
Three
arrow,
times.
up arrow, up arrow. So you will
Oh,
have that
up
commit again.
commit.
Okay, just what I'm saying. You don't need to type the command. Just backspace all this thing. You just have to up key from your keyboard. Yes, again up key, again once. Yes, just hit it. Oh, no, okay, yes, now hit enter.
Enter.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. It what is change one insertion and one deletion. We have deleted the Laravel word, and
Mm-hmm.
we have inserted the new word EzKongsi, right? So it is
Mm.
showing this, and now last command is git push. Git space push.
Push.
Git space push.
Okay.
Space push. Okay. Hit enter.
Enter, sir.
Okay. So wait for, okay, it has pushed the repository. Now go to that URL. Just control click this link. Okay, or you can just directly go there in the browser and you can see
Other
the
browser.
changes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, refresh it. Yes, you can see the changes. Yes, this way we update the code.
Oh.
At the top it was about easy concept.
A body EzKongsi.
Yes, here. Just first title, just below the logo.
below the logo.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
got
yes.
testing, passing.
Just that below that. About. Yes, this one. That you had changes.
Ah, the
Yeah,
changes, the
yes,
name
yes.
changes.
Yes. This way we can change, update our code and push it to the Git. And now I will share the screen. Okay.
Ah, okay, sure, sir.
Okay. Uh, now, okay, this is actually I already have this another thing, but in my readme, okay, okay, it is different.
Okay, sir.
uh, in my readme file those changes are not there right now. I still have the about Laravel right now. Yes.
Mm.
Okay. So in the localhost I am seeing differently, but you can see that I have this Laravel one. It must be EzKongsi. So what I have to do, I have to update my local code with the GitHub's the latest code. So what I do, first I have to go to inside the, okay, our root directory, and then git pull, and just one command I have to do. So it will pull the code from the GitHub. Okay, okay, it's a inside the readme file we have the changes. Okay, one insertion and one deletion. So now my repository is up to date. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what why we use these GitHub, because we also have the cloud for backup and all those things. Here is the reason why we use. You have the all old versions there. Means by mistake you made some changes in the code. You have the old version also. It's saying two commits. Okay. Okay. First commit from me 27 minutes ago, and this, and in this commit what you have done changes. Red means you have removed that line. Green means you have added that line. Okay, you understood that? Yes, indirectly.
Oh.
Okay, so that's why it is, why people are using the GitHub. Because sometimes the project is long, multiple people are working on your code, so it is hard to share. Means uh, while doing your projects you may face that problem that someone has the different code and it was working there, why it is not working here. So to have solve this problem, this is used. Okay. Now if you see your folders, even you are up to date with the GitHub, you don't have the entire Laravel project. Okay. So if I go here and go in public, I have all these directories and all those things. So what I have to do, I have to push it and you have to pull it, right? Okay. Okay, now I will push the code same way. You push the code same I will do, but before the pushing, if there is a commit, I must have to pull it. Okay.
Oh.
Git. Okay, it is simple. When you do this thing multiple times, you can just try with the multiple private repos, you can try with the multiple public repos, you will get practice there. Okay. Git, what I do, git add all files I will add. Git commit. What command I can say? I can say that I added Laravel framework. Okay. Last is git push. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I have pushed all the code there. Now you can see there are all files from my local PC are at the git. But to have those files at your PC, what you have to do? Git pull right now. Yes.
Cool.
Yes, you have to. Okay, you can share the screen. Okay, I stopped the sharing.
Sure, sir.
Okay, you just have to hit one command while pulling. While creating, you have to hit the three command: add, commit, and okay.
Okay.
Okay, just hit git pull. Just type git pull and hit enter.
Git pull.
Hmm. Hit enter. Okay. Okay. Go to your Windows Explorer, you will see all the files, all those Windows Explorer.
Oh, Windows.
Okay, because it is readme file we not change, that's why. Okay,
Which one,
Windows.
sir? Sorry.
Okay, in the go in the Windows Explorer, in the folder.
Oh, folder.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, yes, you can see that all files. This way we share the code. Okay, means if there is a team of 5 or 10 developers,
Okay.
they also share the code. Also, they have the old backups. Also, have the comments why I made these changes. Okay, this will be with the comment, and all those things are stored on the GitHub. So we don't need to buy anything extra for the storing, and also it is not only storing, it is a version controlling. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, with the commits we have the different versions. So if you do some development or I do the development, I just push the code, you have to pull, or vice versa. If you say we have changes this thing, you just have to push that code, I will pull that code, and we will share the code directly. Okay, this way. Okay, you understood that?
Understood, sir.
Okay, it is not in a first day I saying it, but it is the setup basic was needed for us. So, cause we also had the timeline of 2 months, that's why I just fast forwarding everything. But I am recording also. If you have some problem, you can see it again. Okay, and can
Okay, sir.
also ask me. So I think today we stop here, cause if you start coding today, it will be over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just no problem. Okay, I will upload the recording today or tomorrow, and I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. Also, if you both of you have some doubt, you can ask me there anytime. Okay. Yes, in the WhatsApp group also you can that, sir, this thing is not working at my side or something is going different. Okay, this way we can do. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I just closing the meeting.
Sorry, sir. Pardon?
I just closing the meeting. I think. Just
Oh, okay.
okay.
Sir,
Yes,
what
yes.
about our
Hmm.
another class, sir?
Okay, you can decide the time and that. We will have the weekly. We can have 2 or 3 lectures. Okay, like
Sure,
this.
sir.
Yes.
Because
Uh,
in our
hmm.
country,
Hmm.
my state
Hmm.
is actually usually like on Fridays and Saturdays
We have
is
the holiday.
holiday day,
Yes, yes. Okay.
but the Sunday is we doesn't have
Working day. Okay.
class,
Hmm, yes.
so we it's more easier for sir and
The
us also
Friday and
Sunday,
Saturday. Okay.
because Sunday is everyone's
Working day.
holiday day.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
So, what
sir, sir.
happened? I have some electricity problem here. If there is no problem, I will message you that we can have the class today. Okay.
Sir.
What happened? I can means here we have the load shedding, means no electricity for 10 to 4 p.m. sometimes.
Oh,
That's the
so
point.
but sir staying in the near
But
the
at the evening we can have some. If there is electricity, I will call you then. That there
sure,
is
sure.
no power cut off today. We can continue. Means at
Oh,
the
sure,
night
sir.
that is no problem. But sometimes it has problem. That's why I have taken the evening time. That time we have the power, electricity.
Oh, understood,
Mhm.
sir.
So if, I will tell you that tomorrow also we have the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sir.
Hmm. Yes.
When Ramadan, can we do class at 9:30 p.m.?
9:30 at okay, 9:30 means 7:30 at IST. Okay, at
Yes,
Ah,
Malaysian
yes.
time you are saying 9:30. Okay, no problem. That you just message me 15 minutes before the starting the session. We will have the meet and all those things. Means I will share the link and we will join. No problem, guys.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. If you have any doubt, you just message me in the group. I will
Okay,
share.
sir.
Also, I have shared the PDFs. Both are
Mm-hmm.
optional. I mean, one of them you can use. Which one is suitable for you? You can just use that one. That a
Okay.
PHP cheat sheet for the refreshing the PHP. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
No
sir.
problem, guys. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, we will definitely have the session tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. No
Bye, sir.
problem. Okay, guys. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah.